Problem number 2. If the domain of f of x equals 2x squared minus 1 is restricted to 0, infinity, which graph represents f negative 1 of x? So what we want to do first is we have to switch the y's for the x's. So that would be, just switch them. So this is what we get. X equals 2y squared minus 1. From there, we're going to graph both equations. This one, we graph it, and our graph looks like this, and this is our table. For this one, we use a text box, which is menu 3.1. We get a text box, and we drag it to one of the axes, and we get our table. From there, we start eliminating the ones that don't have the side maximum of negative 1, 0. So that would be F and H that don't start at negative 1, 0. From there, we're just going to use the data points we got and match them up with the other answer choices to see if we get them. So 7, 2. G doesn't have 7, 2, and J, it does have 7, 2, so J would be our answer. A different problem they could ask us would be the 3x squared minus 2 is restricted to 2, infinity. Find the inverse of the graph. So we start again by switching the x's for the y. So 3x squared minus 2, which was the given, we switch it to x equals 3y squared minus 2, and we graph both of them and get our table. From there, since it has a bracket here, a bracket means a closed circle, which also means the greater than, less than, and equals, where the parentheses just means greater than or less than. So for that, we graph x is greater than or equal to 2, and we get shade on this side, on the right side. So our answer would be any graph that starts from here and goes on to the right.